Okay, here we are at the site of the old Black Knight Inn. Mitch has had us parked outside here for the last, I don't know, probably like 40 minutes. And his hope is that, I'm trying to get at this in here, his hope is that we're going to see something like really spectacular happen there with this. And so far the way that they're taking it down is just with that little digger there. It has like a hook on the end and it's slowly picking away the two walls that are hanging out we see. Okay. And my kids, Mitch is getting them to cheer. That's what he's getting them to cheer, is use the dynamite. So there we go. Hopefully we'll see something.